Don't know where to start. Overwhelmed of information, lot of tasks to be completed, struggling to do everything together. This is the problem with everybody. Where will I start from? So much of task. Fine. So today in this video, I'll be covering the important points by which you can find out where to start. I am KC Parmeshwaran, Business Seva Medal, productivity coach, and an NLP expert. Let us start off with the first point. If you have too many tasks, you end up doing nothing, don't know where to start. Use 80-20 principle and segregate your complete task. 20% important and most urgent task, and rest 80% task will be the normal task. Fine. After you do that, now pay attention to your time. Use the time very wisely. Get more things done by planning. So you require to do planning. Time blocking for each task. Whatever task you got, time block your 2 hours slot or 1 hour slot, block your time. After you have blocked your time, now prioritize your task in that 20%. In that 20%, which is the most urgent, take that and start off with that. Right? Already your time blocked. So there's no wastage of time. Now you need not plan again because already you're planned. So no wastage of time, your energy, no wastage of energy for again thinking what to do because you already planned everything. Now your focus will increase already because you are planned and you will not waste time and you will start off. Next, you will be less stressed as you have planned and your task need not be remembered by you in your brain because it is already written, lay down. The task is laid down and you are having it in front of you. Next is you will get stabilized. Your nervous system will get stabilized so that no panic, no confusion, nothing. Now, the secret solution is to create a schedule for the day. Now, what is the secret? Scheduling is the most important secret in our life. If we schedule everything, the tasks, and plan it and prioritize it, then we will never have a problem. We will never have a confusion where to start. What are my tasks for the day? What are my tasks for the week? What are the tasks for my month? The complete schedule, if I make it in the beginning of the month, and I am confident enough that I will not waste my time and I am not confused. Right? Now, if you do all this, you follow, and if you follow scheduling, you will have more freedom on time, stress, money, and more happiness. If you like this video, please click the like button, share it to your friends, comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right? And if you're interested to learn more about productivity, procrastination, mindset, and focus, you can click the link below and join my VIP Facebook group. Thank you and have a nice day.